No. Welcome back to Igbo Lovers TV. This lesson is lesson 4. So today we are going to learn family members in Igbo language. What family members are called in Igbo language. Ready? Let's start. Kaibido. First of all, family is called Ezinulo. Ezinulo. Now, when you want to pronounce it, you don't need to call it one like Ezinulo. No, you have to be a bit faster. Ezinulo. 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 Good. Now, when you want to personalize it, like my family, you will say Ezinulom. Ezinulom. Whenever you want to personalize anything, you remember to put the like Ezinulom, like m. But you don't need to make that sound no. Just Ezinulom. Ezinulom. Okay? Alright, so father is called Nna. Nna. Now, my father is Nnam. Nnam. Mother is Nne. Nne. My mother is Nem. Nem. Okay? That is my father and my mother. Nem na Nnam. Remember, na is and. Nem na Nnam, my father and my mother. Now, child is Nwa. Nwa. Children is Omo. 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 Okay? Now, Omo Nem. Omo Nem. That is my mother's children. That is your siblings. My siblings. Omo Nem. Remember, Omo is children. Nem is my mother. My mother's children, which is my siblings. Now, when you want to single out a particular person like Nwa, which is child, you will say Nwannem. 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 That is my sibling. Nwa is child. Nem, my mother. My mother's child, my sibling. Now, your uncle or aunt, which are the siblings to your parents, they are called Nwanne Nem. Nwanne Nam. Nwanne Nem. That is the sibling to my mother. Nwanne Nem. Nwanne Nem. Nwanne Nam. Nwanne Nem. Nwanne Nam. Nwanne Nem. Nwanne Nam. Now, if you want to now, specify, Nwanne Nem Wanyi. Right? That is the sister to my mother. Nwanne Nem Nwoke. The brother to my mother. Nwanne Nam Nwoke. My father's brother. Nwanne Nam Nwanyi. My father's sister. Brilliant. Now, female gender is called Nwanyi. Nwanyi. Male gender is called Nwoke. Nwoke. Male gender in Igbo land is called Nwoke. Female gender is called Nwanyi. Now, when you want to say my sister, you will say Nwannem Nwanyi. Nwannem Nwanyi. That is my mother's girl child or my mother's female child. Nwannem Nwanyi. Remember, Nwa is child. Okay? Now, when you want to say my brother, Nwannem Nwoke. Nwannem Nwoke. Now, when you want to generalize, Omunnem, that is my siblings. Alright, so your niece or nephew is called Nwa Nwannem. Nwa Nwannem. Remember, Nwa is child. Nwannem is sibling. My sibling's child, or the child to my sibling. Okay? Nwa Nwannem. Nwa Nwannem. Now, grandfather is called Papa Nnukwu. Papa Nnukwu. There is something you need to know. Nnukwu is big, like something that is big. Big daddy, the big daddy, big, big, big. Nnukwu. Whenever you hear nnukwu, it means big, something that is big. So papa nnukwu, the big daddy. Or nna ochie, papa nnukwu, nna ochie. Some people say nna nnam, nna nnem, that is nna nnam, my father's father. Or nna nnem, my mother's father, right? Name is my mother, remember, don't forget. Okay, so papa nnukwu, which is grandfather, or nna ochie. Now grandmother is mama nnukwu, mama nnukwu. Grandfather is papa nnukwu, grandmother is mama nnukwu. Or nne ochie, nne ochie, okay? Or nne nnem, that is my mother's mother. Nne nnam, my father's mother. Alright, so grandchild is called nwa nwa. Let me explain this very well. Nwa nwa. Now, my child is nwam. My child's child is nwa nwam, which automatically make me the grandmother, which is mama nnukwu. My child is nwam. Now, my child's child is nwa nwam, which I'm now the mama nnukwu grandmother. Alright? Good. Husband is called di. Husband, di. Now, my husband, dim. Now you are personalizing it. Dim, remember di. Dim. My husband, dim. Husband alone is di. Maybe, for example, you want to say di Ugo. Di Ugo, that is Ugo's husband. Di Ugo, Ugo's husband. Now dim, my husband. Alright? Wife is munye. Wife, munye. Now my wife, munyem. Okay? So that is it. Now for my brothers and sisters who are planning to get married in Igbo land, this one will be very helpful to you. Ndiogo is my in-laws. Okay, let me break it down. Let me just break it down small so that you understand. In-law is ogo, right? In-law, ogo. My in-law, ogom. My in-law, ogom. Now if you want to call them in group, ndi ogom, that is my in-laws. Ndi ogom. Anything in group is ndi, like ndi ogom, ndi uka. Uka is church. I'm just adding it up for you to understand. Ndi uka, that is church people. Ndi uka, ndi ogom, ndi ocha. You get, ocha is Oyibo people. Ndi is people, like ndi ocha, ndi ogom, that is my in-laws. But when you want to call one person, or when you are referring to a particular in-law, is ogom, my in-law. Now, your brother-in-law, that is my brother-in-law, ogom woke. Your sister-in-law, ogom wai. Ogom woke. Even your father-in-law is also ogom woke. Anything woke is male gender. Yes, ogom woke, ogom wai. Even your mother-in-law. Now you can also call your mother-in-law maybe my wife's mother. Nne wunyem. My wife's father. Nna wunyem. Nne na nna wunyem. My wife's parents. My wife's father and mother. Okay, so now to the man, nne dim. Remember, dim is my husband. So nne dim, the mother to my husband or my husband's mother. Nne dim, nna dim, the father to my husband. Nna dim, nnedim, nnadim. So that is it. In-law, my in-law, ndị ọgọ m. Alright, so relatives is called ikwu na ibe. Ikwu na ibe. Now when you are calling it, you don't pronounce it one. You need to be a bit faster. Ikwu na ibe. Ikwu na ibe m, my relatives. Ikwu na ibe m. Ikwu na ibe m. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that is how to call family members in Igbo language. Feel free, if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. I'll come back to reply you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. You know how we do it. Subscribe and then click on share button. Click on share button to share this video to someone. All right, and that's not all. Turn on your notification bells so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to receive it. You'll be the first person to see it. Ndewo, aha m bụ Onyinye Chukwu. Ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ.